Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to hide your phone number on Telegram. To do that is really easy. You have just to go to Telegram, open the application, and after that go and click on settings, and after that scroll down until you find privacy and security. And after that, as you can see, there is in privacy the first option, phone number. If you don't want anyone to see your phone number, click on nobody. And it's better here also to change who can find me by my number and change it to my contacts. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.